ni mar migago sa enabirio machiegni nyinga Lydia Okeyo. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto koni jotend pinje Afrika kod oganda ma Afrika osenyiso chiwruok mar kedo kod midhiero mikelo kod lokruok chal kod lwasi. Kotwakero mar chal kod lwasi Nairobi, Ruto koni Afrika ebo koro dhingo muya maricho mawuok e kembe pinje moheo kata momeo kendo nyaka koro migi sir mowinjore mag omenda kaka yor kony to kaka yor pok makare kaka imiyo pinje mamoko.
Africa is a very young continent. Our median age is 19. Africa's youthfulness is precisely the attribute that has inspired African leaders to imagine a future where Africa finally steps into the stage as an economic and industrial power, an effective and positive actor on a global arena. I am very proud because of this realization, and it has motivated Africa's leaders to create meaningful opportunities for young people to participate in, contribute to, and take charge of consequential endeavors in many sectors. This bold policy is already transforming the strategic landscape of climate action and is swiftly propelling our continent to a focal point of global sustainability agenda. This is why I proudly celebrate the courage and imagination with which the people of Africa and their leaders have converged with extraordinary focus and commitment on the climate agenda, not as an additional or peripheral concern for public policy, but as the foremost priority and the defining intervention in our collective journey to shared prosperity. It has become clear to us at the Africa Union, under the aegis of the Committee of African Heads of State on Climate Change, that tackling climate change also produces the solutions for the complex interconnected crisis that we face today. This is what this summit is designed to underscore. Unlocking Africa's potential to undertake economic transformation along a green trajectory is the most feasible, just, and efficient way to attain a net zero world by 2050. With those two combined, Africa's capacity to limit its own emissions is the clearest pathway to enable the world to achieve its climate action targets. This is the continent that is the lungs of the world. We have the largest natural carbon sequestration infrastructure. And we are saying this in all honesty around how do we get concessional funding? How do we pay as much as others are paying? How do we get Africa away from paying 5 times more? And I asked in this gathering, we're not asking to be favored. We're not asking to be treated differently. We want a fair financial system that treats everybody equally.